Go to the Play Store and search for Express Engineering Training Services. Download and install the app. Once you open the app, type in your phone number, which you wish to register. Click Proceed securely. Enter the OTP received, and then click on Verify OTP. Now enter your full name. Please remember that the name entered here will appear on your certificate. Then, enter your valid email ID. Confirm by clicking on Let's Get Started. Now you can see the home screen. Go to the menu option as seen here. Select Study Material. Now go to the Videos tab. You can also tap on this banner to go to the study material. Now go to the Videos tab. If you are new to the static equipment domain, then watch the video on why to study codes and standards. Tap on the arrow to go back to the Videos tab. For lectures on PV Elite, check out this folder. To understand why we are the best, you can check our track record, our customers, know more about the trainer, our USP and other details. There are multiple free video lectures on heat exchanger. Manual calculation example. Various important concepts and code requirements. Check out the depth and quality of our training by watching the lectures on lifting lugs design, ball torque calculations, and external pressure calculations. Go back to study material by tapping here. You can know more about the course content from here. Also check out the sample training notes for reference. So, sit back and explore these highly detailed video lectures.